Hi everyone, welcome to our OHS or Occupational Health and Safety online class at Paradise Business and Technology College. I am Mr. John Kauba, the class coordinator of this online OHS class. Okay, these are my qualification and experience. Qualification attained. I have a bachelor degree in Applied Physics, Electronics and Instrumentation from PNG University of Technology. I have a level 2 training and assessment qualification. When I was with Agatec Aviation College, I also have a CASA authorization number for certain basic aeronautical subjects like physics, maths, electrical. I was an AutoCAD trainer after attending a train-the-trainer program at Don Bosco Technological Institute at Taroma or Isbaroko. I also have a level 1 OHS qualification, and I also attended safety induction training at Paradise Food when I was engaged as a part-time shutdown technician. These are my field experience. I was a lecturer at Asia Pacific Aviation Department at OLA, PNG Power, opposite PNG Power. I was an instructor and lecturer at Agatec Aviation College, Gordon's campus. I was an electrical maintenance engineer with Atlas Steel PNG at Baroni factory site. I was also an electrical instructor at Don Bosco Technological Institute for 2 years at Taroma Road or Isbaroko. I was an electrical supervisor with Pacific Industries or Pepsi at 6 Mile. I also work with one of the local engineering firm that specializes in electrical engineering work, Greenwood Energy, as a junior electrical engineer. And I was also a part-time shutdown technician working with Paradise Food for 3 weeks shutdown maintenance in 2021 at their production plant at Gordon's Kauai Drive in Port Moresby. Okay, this is my qualification that enables me to become a trainer and academic to transfer and impart skills to young generation, school leavers, non-school leavers, working class, or unfortunate youths. Okay, let's look at the course outline here. Unit 1, Introduction to Occupational Health and Safety. Unit 2, Workplace Hazards. Unit 3, Risk Assessment. Unit 4, Personal Protective Equipment or PPE. Unit 5, Safe Work Practices. Unit 6, Emergency Procedures. Unit 7, Accidents Reporting. Unit 8, Workers' Rights and Responsibility. Unit 9, PNG Safety Laws and Regulations. So these are the key areas that we are going to look at in our OHS online course. Okay, the first topic is scope of occupational health and safety. What is the scope, or what does it talks about occupational health and safety? What does it concern? Occupational health and safety is a field of its own. Okay, it's a multidisciplinary field concerned with protecting the physical, mental, and social well-being of workers in all occupations. Okay, or in all jobs, in all workplaces. It involves the identification, evaluation, and control of workplace hazards to prevent injury, illness, and fatality. So basically, OHS is a set of rules, laws, regulations, and systems set in place in a workplace organization to ensure workers are safe and healthy while performing their job. The scope of OHS extends beyond traditional safety concerns to include mental health, economics, or later we'll discuss what is economics, workplace stress, and environmental factors. In modern workplace, OHS covers policy development, risk management, employee training, emergency procedures or preparedness, and compliance with legal standards such as the Occupational Health and Safety Act of the government. It also applies across all industries, including construction, healthcare, mining, and office environment. So OHS must be present in all organizations, whether it's small or big, because to ensure the safety and health and well-being of the workers in that particular organization or company. Okay, let's look at historical development of OHS and its relevance today. The development of OHS or occupational health and safety can be traced back to the Industrial Revolution when unsafe working conditions led to high rates of injuries and fatalities. Early reforms introduced basic safety measures and labor laws. So in the past, some of the projects that were carried out during the ancient time and during the civilization and industrial revolution, like the mighty people of China, the Uva Dam, all these projects, okay, there were no proper safety policy in place to follow safety procedures or whatever it is. So during the course of the project, there were a lot of fatalities, a lot of death, not because of unsafe working conditions, but also due to some uh, poor health condition as well that affected the health of the workers, and also the safety system is not in place. So there were a lot of casualties and a lot of fatalities, injuries that were taking place at that time. Over time, OHS evolved into a structured system incorporating scientific research, legal frameworks, and organizational policies. Today, OHS is highly relevant due to technological advancement, globalization, and emerging workplace risks such as psychological stress, chemical exposure. Okay, modern OHS emphasize prevention or prevention, employee participation, and continuous improvements. Okay, objectives of OHS and how they are achieved. The primary objective of OHS are to prevent workplace injuries and illness. Okay, so OHS basically refer to safety in terms of health issue or injuries. Okay, so it promotes employee well-being, ensure legal compliance, and improve productivity. These objectives are achieved through hazard identification, risk assessment, implementation of control measures, employee training, and regular monitoring. Organizations also establish safety policies and encourage worker participation to maintain a proactive safety culture in the workplace. So, uh, safety is everyone's responsibility. It's the company's or employer's responsibility, so is the employee's responsibilities as well. Okay, roles and responsibilities of employers in OHS. Like I've said, employers and employees both have OHS responsibilities in the workplace. Employers have a legal and moral duty to ensure a safe working environment. Okay, their responsibility include providing safe equipment, conducting risk assessments, offering training, and enforcing safety policies. These are the responsibilities of employers or companies, organizations. Employers must also supply appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE), maintain machinery, and ensure proper supervision. Compliance with laws such as the Employment Act is essential. Okay, failure to meet this responsibility can result in legal penalties and increase workplace risk. Okay, as employees, we also have responsibilities, which is responsibilities in a workplace. Roles and responsibilities of employees in maintaining workplace safety. Employees or worker play a crucial role in OHS by following safety procedures, using PPE or personal protective equipment correctly, and reporting hazards. Hazards are anything that can cause harm. They must take reasonable care of their own safety and that of others. So you are responsible as an employee for your own safety and the safety of others as well. So safety is everyone's responsibility in our workplace. Active participation in safety training and cooperation with management are essential. When employees fulfill their responsibilities, they contribute to a safer work environment and reduce the likelihood of accidents. Okay, importance of a safety culture in organization. A safety culture refers to set values, attitudes, and behavior regarding safety within an organization. A strong safety culture promotes awareness, accountability, and proactive risk management. So it is very important to maintain a safety workplace culture in an organization or in a company where employers and the employees are responsible for their own safety. Organization with a positive safety culture experiences fewer accidents, higher employee morale, and improved productivity. A leadership commitment, effective communication, and continuous training are key factors in building and sustaining a culture. So everyone has to play their part to maintain a safety culture in an organization. Okay, the economic and social benefits of implementing OHS, occupational health and safety programs, policy, or systems. OHS programs provide significant economic benefits by reducing costs associated with workplace injuries, compensation claims, and equipment damage. They also minimize downtime and improve efficiency. Okay, when there is a proper OHS system in place, when there is a good safety culture in an organization, okay, it prevents injury and accidents, and the company don't spend money on compensation and claims, and it also minimizes downtime and improve the efficiency, or the company makes more profit. Socially, OHS enhances employee well-being, job satisfaction, and trust between workers and management. Okay, it contributes to community development by promoting healthy and productive workforce. Okay, components of an effective OHS, or occupational health and safety management system. An effective OHS management system includes policy development, hazard identification, risk assessment, control measures, and training, monitoring, and review of the system and the policy that are in place. It also involves leadership commitment, employee participation, and continuous improvements, documentation and regular audits, and through compliance and effectiveness. Such systems provide a structured approach to managing workplace safety. Okay, relationship between OHS and productivity. OHS and productivity are closely linked. A safe workplace reduces absenteeism, injuries, and disruption, allowing employees to work efficiently. Healthy workers are more motivated and engaged, leading to higher output and quality. Conversely, poor safety conditions result in accidents, delays, and financial losses. Therefore, investing in OHS improves both safety and organizational performance. 10 challenges faced in implementing OHS in developing countries such as Papua New Guinea. Implementing OHS in developing countries like Papua New Guinea presents challenges such as limited resources, lack of awareness, and inadequate enforcement of safety laws. So these are some of the challenges. Other challenges include insufficient training, cultural attitude towards safety, and rapid industrialization or industrial growth without proper regulation. Despite these obstacles, improving OHS is essential for sustainable development. Governments, employers, and workers must collaborate to strengthen safety system and promote awareness. Okay, that brings us to the end of Unit 1.